Welcome to Vedic Astrology Classes, Session 97. Jupiter in 10th house of a birth chart in Vedic Astrology. Quickly recall the characteristics of 10th house. 10th house of a birth chart is known as Karma Bhav. It is about our actions and duties. It is about our performance while dealing with people other than family. 10th house is 7th from 4th house. 4th house of your birth chart is about your life at home. It is your comfort zone, and 10th house is the place away from home and family where you have to deal with unknown people. It is like a battlefield where you have to show your skills and talent, and many times have to face unpredictable situations. 10th house is about your professional life, career, position, status, authority, reputation you earn while dealing with people at professional level or social level. 10th house is also about the social life of the person. Now, what are the characteristics of Jupiter? In Vedic astrology, Jupiter is the most powerful naturally benefic planet. A well-placed Jupiter in birth chart blesses the person with almost everything, of course in a good way. Jupiter stands for knowledge, wisdom, values, sincerity, religion, belief system, spirituality, higher learning, positivity, kindness, teachings of father and elders. Jupiter is the significator of children. Jupiter is also the significator of husband for unmarried woman. Presence of naturally benefic Jupiter in 10th house of a birth chart blesses the person with Amla Yoga, indicating the person can expect good results related to 10th house and Jupiter. Presence of Jupiter in 10th house makes the person knowledgeable, wise, sincere, law-abiding, religious, kind-hearted, professionally successful, financially stable, and person enjoys fame and respect in professional and social circle. Though Jupiter is about knowledge, wisdom, religion, spirituality, etc., yet in 10th house, which is the Karma Bhav, Jupiter is keen to use its qualities for professional and financial gains. If the person is good in academics, he or she may opt for higher studies, may become a teacher, principal, professor, scientist, author, doctor, engineer, lawyer, or may head some institute. Person may be a counselor, diplomat, may be in foreign services. Due to Jupiter, these people are sincere, disciplined and law-abiding. Therefore, they may work with law-making or law-enforcing agencies. If the person has good knowledge about religion, he or she may opt to be a priest or religious teacher or a spiritual teacher. Since in 10th house, all actions of Jupiter are inspired by monetary gains, so the person may opt for more than one profession at a time. But these people never opt to earn money using wrong or unfair practices. Tenth house is also seen for father's role in the life of the person. Person inherits strong belief system from father. Father has a strong influence on the life of the person. Father is more like a teacher. Father is directly or indirectly involved in shaping the professional life of the person. From 10th house, Jupiter aspects 4th house, Sukh Bhav or Matri Bhav, which is seen for the family life of the person. Person has access to all worldly comforts, lives in a big house, has property, owns big car and other objects of comfort. Person has a good family life, but there may arise stressful situations due to his deep-rooted belief system. 4th house is also seen for mother. Personality of the mother is also influenced by Jupiter. She is wise, religious, spiritual, straightforward, and provides strong support to the person. From 10th house, Jupiter also aspects 2nd house, house of speech, childhood family, values attached to the family. These people are soft-spoken, reflect wisdom, intelligence, and due to the strong family influence, may opt for family business or profession. 2nd house is also known as Dhan Bhav, which is seen for wealth. Person is financially stable and has a good bank balance. From 10th house, Jupiter also aspects 6th house, house of death, disease and enemy. Jupiter blesses the person with sound health and helps him or her to fight off the health issues or diseases, if any. These people have strong deep-rooted belief system which they are not ready to alter, and they even try to impose it on others, hardly caring what others think or feel. This may cause conflicting situations at workplace and even in their social life. But Jupiter helps them to resolve all conflicts and sail through all situations, however awkward or unpleasant they may appear. Jupiter keeps the enemies in check and helps to resolve all types of professional and social conflicts. If in 10th house, Jupiter is placed in Swarashi, Mool Trikon, or is exalted, or 10th house and 10th lord are aspected by benefics, person is blessed with a bright career and opportunities to rise high in professional life. He or she may achieve professional success at an early age without much struggle. If 10th house and 10th lord are under the influence of malefics, the good results related to 10th house and Jupiter get reduced. If Jupiter is debilitated in 10th house, one cannot expect good results related to 10th house. Please take note, if some planet is not placed favorably in your horoscope, don't get upset. While making predictions, a number of other factors need to be considered along with the results that a particular planet can deliver in your birth chart. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic Astrology Classes, Session 98.